Okay, let's one. We are going to use built-in range function. The range function introduce if we say range 10, it will create the value from 0, 1, 2, all the way to 10, exclude number 10. So basically, it will produce 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9. Then after that, we can process with a for loop. Okay, let's say for count the in range. So if you say 10, this will create a value from 0, 1, 2, all the way to 9, exclude number 10. Then we can process each of them as an iterator using for loop. Then forgot colon, print, counter one at a time. So let's see. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to number 9, but exclude number 10. Okay, of course, sometimes you like to print one next to each other. Then you can introduce AND keyword with one space. Okay, that way 0 will be produced, and then print it out. Then there will be one space and one space, and so on. So it depends on what you want. The main idea is using range function to produce the values range from 0 and all the way to number 9 exclude number 10. Then we can use for loop one at a time. Basically saying we are iterating 0 to 9, then print it here, and then we can introduce one space between numbers. That's all. Thank you.